Sissel?
Sissel.
Sissel?
I think he's trying to say sausage.
Sausage?
How do we stop sprinkles?
You mean whistling? What is sissel?
Here.
How do you sissel? Sam. Sam, how do you sissel?
Sissel like this.
You
Like
whistle
that.
better than I do, Sam.
I can't whistle.
I can't either. Just as good as I can.
Me either.